Welcome back, fuckers, to another episode here on the BeDistinct channel. It's been a minute since we had a mod for the G35, and coming up next month, it's September. We should have our hands on the Nissan Proto Z. Proto? What the hell did I say? The Nissan Proto Z, and it should be right here in this spot right here. That's super exciting, guys. So if you guys want to stay up to date with that, go ahead and click the like button on this video and stay subscribed to the channel. I'm not gonna go ahead and talk that much at the beginning of the video, so let's go ahead and get this car cold started, pull it out, put it in reverse so we can begin today's mod. We also have some new wheels for the G35, but we're missing one. That should arrive today, and then we can potentially install the wheels. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and wait on the video because they just started blow drying, and yeah, you know that's not a good combo. Let's go ahead and unbox the new seats, which I haven't even announced today's sponsor, so let's go ahead and do that. Today's episode is sponsored by none other than Corbeau seats. I don't even know if I said it right. A lot of people say Corbeau, some people say Corbeau. But let's go ahead and go with Corbeau seats. Huge, massive shout out to them. If you guys don't know who they are for some reason, they sell racing seats. They are the same company which I have my current seats, and they were awesome enough to send me some of their brand new line FX1 bucket seat style racing seats. And today we're gonna go ahead and install them. They are so beautiful, man. The link will be down in the description down below. Go ahead and check them out for your favorite seats. They're the same seats I have been rocking for the past 2 years, man, and they're awesome. They haven't even torn, and they've been worn for about 2 years, and they're still looking fantastic shape. And although those are reclinable, we are switching to some non-reclinable, aka fixed seats. It does hug you a little bit more. I already sat in them, not gonna lie, but let's go ahead and open it up for you guys. As you guys can see, I already opened it up. You know, I shot an Instagram reel for it, so I know how to do this. Let's cue a little montage for the seat. Alright guys, so these are the seats. As you guys can tell, they have like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're like suede. So this is a suede seat with the suede back right here, super nice. And then you have some leather here on the side, of course, but you got more suede here in the back, which is awesome. Then you have your typical bucket seat right here. This seat right here, I believe, is their lightest racing seat. But first, of course, before installing a racing seat, we have to go ahead and uninstall the one inside. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna move this flap right here, move it to the side. You guys know seats, very simple, 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Which reminds me, I gotta vacuum my car, but last time I removed these freaking bolts were hella hard to remove, actually. But I didn't have this big ratchet, which is why I'm telling you guys, if you guys work on cars and you don't have this extended long ratchet, bro, get yourself one. This thing saves lives. I am not playing. I don't know if it's just you, but when you guys work on your G35 in the back, does it get hella hot back here? Like, it is freaking hot, man. All right, everything's off. Let's go ahead and remove this seat. Guys, here comes the satisfying part. Freaking vacuuming this dirty car. And what are those? I need to freaking clean my carpet or switch out the carpet or something, but that's kind of nasty. Not even in a cap. Which was not put on very tightly, as you can see. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the under of the seat. You got these silver bolts. Do not remove these. These are the ones that attach the bracket to the rails to slide the seat. So don't remove those. There's some other ones, some black ones that are needed to be removed in order to remove the seat. So these black ones are the ones that have the seat. They're Allen wrenches. This is a size 6. So So just go ahead and put that in and wiggle it a little bit, make sure it's in there, and then just twist left. So, and you are ready to install the new bracket. If you want to know the bracket number, it is E2067. It's for the Nissan 350Z/G35. I'm curious though, let's do an unofficial weight test. So we're gonna put the seat right. I'm gonna wait for that thing to kind of simmer down. Let's remove that. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that said 29.6. Remove it. 28.6. So we're gonna do 29.6, 28.6. Obviously, it's not being leveled and whatnot, but it's around that range. Guys, this is the new one. Okay, can we get a number there? 21.2. Holy crap. Okay, 21.2. Holy crap. It's about 10 pounds, almost like 9 pounds lighter. And it does feel lighter, guys. I'm not just making this up. Like, it does feel lighter. I just didn't know how much, but yeah, guys, there you go. 9 pounds lighter for the fixed bucket seat. At Houston, we got a problem. These are the bolts that came off from the reclinable seat, and these do not fit at all. Bro, I am so dumb. You guys can roast me in the freaking comments. I see the holes, but like, dude, like, bro, this does not fit. The holes that I'm trying to put on are the freaking bolts. They are the bolts, man. Come on. Something to know here that I noticed last time when I removed my OEM G35 seats and installed these seats in the G35. I'm literally I'm 5'4". I'm super short. I was not blessed with height, and I cannot buy height. I wish I could, but I can't. But anyways, when I was sitting in the OEM seat G35, I looked just fine. Like, my head is poking out the window, like everything looks fine. When I install those seats sit a lot lower to the ground, which is why in all my Instagram videos, TikTok, like, you kind of see me poking up a little bit because I'm kind of low and I'm not tall. Obviously, I can still drive. It's nothing like dangerous. As you guys can tell, I've been driving this car for like 2-3 years. All right, here we go, y'all. I got my tape. Sit normal. I'm at the bottom of the tape, not the top of the tape, at the bottom. So I'm right here. Oh, this one hugs you a lot more. And I already feel taller. I already feel taller. Yeah, literally, I'm at the top of my seat. Oh, yeah, baby. What do you guys think so far? That's kind of gnarly, not gonna lie. Look at that. Fire! That looks good, man. That looks super good. See where my visibility's at. It's not bolted on yet, but... Oh, bro. Hey. All right, guys, so we're getting ready to remove the driver's seat, the final seat. We already installed the passenger seat. I got it dialed in. And this is my eye level right here. So I can still see the road. It's just that this top half does kind of block me, as you guys can see. And you guys might be asking yourself this question already. Am I selling these seats? Yes, I will be selling them. Go on my Instagram for more information, but I will post them on there. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Bam! Check that out. Brand new seats. Let's see if our vision is higher. We're officially done. All right, guys, you guys will have my live reaction here. Bro, my vision is restored, y'all. Shout out to Corbeau. Bro, these seats, not only do they look nice, they also feel nice because it's suede, and your vision does not get impacted. Let me put the previous clip that I had before of the current eye level with the other seats.
It's just that this top half does kind of block me, as you guys can see.
And now this is my current eye level with these new seats. You can see the steering wheel is a lot lower and I can see a lot more of the road. Damn, sit on the new seats. Watch your head. Damn, how do those feel? Yo guys, we're in the G, we're taking it for a spin, and this is my eye level right now, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, I'm just so happy, guys. I'm sorry that I'm short. I'm sorry, I'll apologize on behalf of myself. Like, I'm sorry that I'm short. I'm not the tallest. but the fact that my eye level is now higher and I can see a lot more of the road, it feels a lot tighter. The seats are hugging me. That feels very, very nice. It feels like I have a friend, guys. It feels very driver oriented now, man. It kind of gave me a new kind of passion and love for driving this car right now. It's super nice. Awesome, man. So nice. Anyways, guys, that's gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's installation. Let me know what you guys think about the seats, and then tune in on next episode. We're installing some new wheels on the G35. I'm excited to show you guys, so stay tuned for that video. I'll catch you guys next episode. Stay safe, like the video, subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Like I said, we're hopefully gonna have some Z content here soon, so catch you guys next episode. Take care, amigos. Peace.